The documents, itong bank certificates at saka yung BIR, mga pieces of evidence yan na maganda na narinig natin through you na hindi naman nag-o-object ang defense to present this evidence, no? At idadagdag ko lang from the point of view of the law, kasi legal ang pag-usapan naman natin, impeachment trial po ito. Klarong-klaro po sa batas yung bank secrecy law, no? Sa ating mga anti-graft laws. Exception po. You can open bank records and you can reveal BIR documents in connection with an impeachment case. Ito po, klarong-klaro, hindi po subject sa interpretation. Naka-enumerate po yan sa batas. Impeachment case is an exception to the bank secrecy laws. Yun po ang sinabi ng aming proponent kahapon, si Congressman Shell Jokno, at marami ring decisions ang Supreme Court, no, as regards opening of bank records. The most recent precedent is the impeachment case against Chief Justice Corona, where on the basis of these bank records, he was convicted for impeachment. Due process, sinasabi nila, siguro violation of due process. Due process is not violated. Your right to privacy is not violated because, first of all, sa due process, meron naman silang opportunity to cross-examine yung authentic ba itong bank records na yun, what does it prove, etc. No? So, we welcome the statement of the defense that they are not opposed to the opening of the bank records and the BIR statements, because kung sinasabi nilang due process of the defense, no, meron ring due process ang taong bayan. Meron ring due process dapat ang prosecution to be able to present its case. So due process on both sides tayo. On both sides tayo.